DJI Phantom Series, History in the United States. The DJI Phantom series played a key role in making drones mainstream in the US, especially for hobbyists, content creators, and professional aerial surveyors. 1. DJI Phantom 1, launched in 2013. Marketed in the US as the first ready-to-fly consumer drone. Features: no built-in camera, GoPro mount supported. Manual controls with GPS stabilization. Flight time: approximately 10 minutes. Impact: became a hit with American hobbyists and YouTubers. 2. DJI Phantom 2 Series 2013-2014. Upgrades: longer flight time, approximately 25 minutes. Compatible with Zenmuse gimbals for GoPro. Phantom 2 Vision Plus. Included a built-in camera and Wi-Fi live view. Widely used by indie filmmakers and real estate agents. FAA note: marked early concerns over drone regulations and airspace awareness. 3. DJI Phantom 3 Series 2015. Models in US market: Standard, Advanced, Professional, 4K. Key features: integrated 3-axis gimbal and 4K camera Pro. GPS plus GLONASS for better positioning. DJI Lightbridge Live HD transmission. Vision positioning for indoor flying. Flight time: approximately 23 minutes. Use cases: popular for aerial photography, YouTube, and drone racing clubs. Widely sold through Best Buy, Amazon, and DJI's US online store. 4. DJI Phantom 4 Series 2016-2018. Models: Phantom 4, 4 Pro, 4 Pro Plus V2.0, Phantom 4 RTK. Innovations: obstacle avoidance sensors, 1-inch 20-megapixel CMOS sensor, Pro model. 4K video at 60 fps, mechanical shutter. OcuSync HD video transmission. Commercial adoption: used by U.S. fire departments, police, land surveyors, and construction firms. Flight time: 28 to 30 minutes. 5. Phantom 4 Pro V2.0 2018. Quieter motors and props. Better transmission system. Still used by many US-based aerial photographers and inspection companies. 6. Phantom 4 RTK 2018 present. Targeted for enterprise and government use. High-precision mapping drone with RTK GPS module. Utilized in agriculture, civil engineering, and utilities across the U.S. Current status in the U.S. 2025. DJI paused Phantom production to focus on the Mavic, Air, and Matrice lines. Phantom 4 RTK is still actively used in professional settings. Phantom drones are still supported by DJI and popular in the second-hand market. Would you like a downloadable PDF version or comparison with US FAA drone rules and